So what to do when you are running out of cash but your business is growing? This is a huge question, right? Like, I mean, if you think about it, it just makes a lot of sense. Like so what to do when you're running out of cash? Like basically you don't have any more money in your bank account, but your business is working, your business is growing. You know that, I mean, at this point, we should know the difference between like revenue and profits. Money that we have in our bank account and money that's just like coming in, right? The money that's called revenue, that money that just like comes in, it's not money that we actually have, like it's just not our profit. A lot of things have to happen before we can turn that money into cash and before that money goes into our bank account. So the thing is that what if the business is working? Like, if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense, right? What if the business is working but we cannot take that money out? Like, we need money. We need liquid right now, liquid money, so we can, launch more products. Maybe this is like your fifth, sixth, seventh round of production, and you need money. Like, you really need money, and we're not talking about like a couple $100. Probably we're talking about like 5, 6, 20, 15, 20 grand. Which is considerable, right? Which is a decent amount of money, even if, especially if you're starting and this is your first time dealing with this kind of numbers, right? So, Amazon funding opportunities. So this video is basically to let you guys know, okay, that there is definitely a reliable, a legit, a real opportunity that's called Amazon Lending. So what this means is that it's basically from Amazon, okay? It's a program from Amazon, so we know it's 100% legit. Like, this is not from a third-party website, external company. No, this is nothing like that, okay? This is just from Amazon itself, so we know it's legit. So if we click on this, just go to like just look it up, Amazon Lending program funding, and it's gonna direct you to here, okay? So basically, this is a program that, if we read it really quick, Amazon Lending, through its third-party financing providers, offers business financing to help eligible U.S. small and medium-sized business reach their goals. So basically, how this is gonna work is that they're gonna borrow you money, okay? Obviously you have to pay that money back. You're gonna take that money and use it, but the thing is, so we have to comprehend that some cultures, okay, this doesn't happen a lot in the US, but like in my culture, where I'm from, and I'm sure a lot of people are not from the US, and especially in Europe, Latin America, the concept of like borrowing money is like toxic, like you just don't do that. Oh, because you're getting yourself in debt, you're gonna be poor, this is not gonna work. This is a good sign, honestly. Like, so if your business is working, if your business is like operating, this is a good sign. So the reason why is because if you think about it, that means your business is working, you're making lots of money, but you don't have that money yet. That's a very good sign, despite what we think in Latin America, Europe. If you borrow money from somebody else to escalate to escalate the process, make it faster, make it quicker, that is something pretty good. Okay, that is not bad at all. Yes, you're getting yourself into debt, but it's for a good reason. It makes a lot of sense. So this is basically how this works. So you're gonna sign up here. Someone in the Amazon team is gonna review your account, review your business. They're gonna make sure that everything is okay, right? Obviously, you have to have some kind of history. It's not that you can just like, I'm gonna start selling my first product next month. Okay, in the second month, I'm gonna ask for $5,000, $10,000. It doesn't work like that, okay? You have to have a certain amount of experience of success before the actual before they can approve your account, right? I mean, you can apply, yeah, but like they're gonna deny your account if you just started selling. So let's go through the through the rules here, through the concepts really quick. Access funds quickly. Applying takes minutes for most applicants, and financing this applying takes minutes for Applying takes minutes for most applicants, and financing decisions. Applying applying takes minutes for most applicants, and financing decisions are usually made in less than 3 business days, with approved funds typically distributed within 2 business days. So basically, that's what this means is that what I actually just told you, right? You're gonna sign up, you're gonna be like, hey, this is me, this is my history, this is what I've been doing, I need X amount of money, okay? I mean, obviously it's not that straightforward, but like that's basically the whole point of it. And they're gonna review your account, they're gonna take their time, obviously, for see less than in 3 business days. That means that someone's gonna sit, look at your account and be like, okay, is this person, you know, how much experience does this person have? Did this person just start selling, or we're talking about like a year, 2 year, 3 year experience before you know, borrowing money? And then proceed with certainty. Review transparent details for financing options, including rates and payment terms exclusively for Amazon sellers before deciding to apply. Basically, what they are telling you is that we're giving you better rates than if you go to your bank. Like if you get a private loan or something like that, Amazon will give you a better deal. Basically, that's what they're talking about here. Free up cash flow from increasing inventory to purchasing ads. Financing from Amazon Lending lets you focus your resources where you need them to meet your business goals. Basically, you know, once you get the money, you can just use it for whatever you need, right? If it's like your production run, Amazon ads, or just pay your maybe your employees or whatever, so it keeps running, so it keeps like working. That's basically what that means. And this is pretty interesting right here. Customize your investment. So basically it's that you can use your funds to cover any business costs, such as expanding your marketing, product lines, workforce, or infrastructure. Basically what this means is what I just you know, told you guys, that once they get your money, which is on the free up cash flow thing up here, you don't have rules on how to use the money, right? I mean, you can just use it for whatever you want. And then here on the customize your investment, it actually lets you know that you can just use, that you can do whatever you want with it, you know. I mean, obviously you're gonna use it for your account, for your business, right? And then we have the borrow with confidence. This is basically talking about a contract. Amazon Lending collaborates with trusted third-party providers who have proven experience offering financial products that successfully serve sellers. Basically what this means is that you don't have to worry about, oh, okay, where does this money come from? You know, like, who am I paying back? How does this work? So in the back end on Amazon, they basically make sure that you are dealing with professional people, and that money is 100% you know, reliable. It's 100% legit, and Amazon is not gonna collaborate. Amazon is not gonna partner up with, like, you know, weak or weird companies that nobody has ever heard of, right? So obviously Amazon has some kind of like verification process. That's pretty interesting, but I've no clue how that works, right? Because they don't explain to us that. But that's basically what this means, is that this money is from basically from a third party that's approved by Amazon, so you know it's legit, you know. So you know, you don't have to worry about oh, okay, so I mean, you know, I don't want to borrow money from somebody else but Amazon. It is coming from somebody else, but just know that, you know, it's reliable, and Amazon already makes sure that that's the case for you, so you don't have to worry about that. This is basically the type of you know, products, loans, services they offer, whatever you want to call it, that you can get just by applying to this, right? So the way this works is basically, you know, they have all kinds of stuff here. We have, so term loan, then business line of credit if you want. I'm not gonna read this just because it's gonna make it way too boring, right, for you guys. But they have like basically 3 products: term loan, business line of credit, and merchant cash advance. So basically these are all you know, part of the same program, Amazon Lending program, and this is basically how you get started. So just right there is how you apply. Well, they also obviously have their own frequently asked questions section, and that's basically how this works. So this video was just like to let you guys know that there is an option, okay? So because sometimes we think that, oh, so the only option to get money is by a third party, a loan from the bank, most likely, right? Because that's usually all we know. But no, this video was to like let you guys know that there is a better option, And honestly, what better option than Amazon? You know, like to because I mean sometimes the bank may give you a loan with 6-7% interest rate. Amazon may give it to you for 4 or 5 just because it's from Amazon, right? So why not give it a shot if you qualify? Again, this is not for new sellers, this is for more advanced sellers, honestly. But you're gonna get there eventually, right? So you're better off knowing this information right now than not knowing it. And or maybe you can just help somebody else that is in that position right now, right? And then you'll be in that position. So if you guys have any questions, as always, you can just reach out to us, comment on the YouTube video if you're there. This is Oscar from MC One Step. We help Amazon brands start and grow their brand, listing images, conversion rate, and much more. So if you need help with any of that, feel free to visit our website and schedule a call with us. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please take care. Bye.